The intro. The holidays cause you to be broke. I can't Grand Market nice. It's a lot, it's a lot, it's a lot. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is the 24th. I don't know what we're doing today. All I know is I'm going to lay down and relax. The babysitter is here. Boys are outside with their dad. I do have cleaning to do, but I'm not stressing myself. This morning I messaged my boss and I was like, do I have to work today? And she was like, only if you want to. I was like, no, I'm not working. So yeah, happy holidays to everybody when it comes. I hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoy your dinners. Hope you enjoy your Christmas cakes or your fruit cakes. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday. We're gonna rest.
I am a child. I'm a child of Mama. I'm a child of Master Jesus. Oh, I am a child. I'm a child of God. I'm a child of God. Yeah, I am.
Guys, I forgot to tell you. I saw the intro last night, and the intro is so beautiful. The intro is so cinematic. It's so, I don't know. It's just so beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys what you guys aren't. All right, comment down below. Do I drop the intro for New Year's? Or when do you guys want me to drop the intro? When do you guys want me to drop the intro? Comment down below and let me know when you want me to drop the intro. Quick question, who else has a miscellaneous drawer that never seems to empty? No matter how many times my husband and I clean out this drawer, it just keeps getting full and full and full. And here I am going back through it again for the millionth and one time. So guys, this is my silver pan savings. And these are all the silver that I took out of. I want to see if I can pull up this pan. There's so much silver. I can pull up this pan because we have so much silver in our drawer around there. So I go pull it up. So should I do like an end of the year, like a recap, like a 2025 update video, like what I've accomplished in 2025, goals that I've accomplished in 2025? Should I do that type of video? Should I make that like an end of year video, like the video before the end of the year? Should I do that, or should we do that in this vlog? Let me know in the comments down below. Listen, I was thinking of doing the matching pajamas, so I reached out to a couple places out here. I'm sorry Jamaica, I love where I live, I adore where I live, but the prices for certain things are crazy. Okay, pajama for my husband and I, pajama for our $6,000 each, $7,000 each, and then pajama for my kids are $6,000 each, and then I'm gonna still have to pay delivery. That's almost $30,000 for what? For pajamas? No. We have some blue pajamas that I got one Christmas, not last year, the year before last year, that we never got to take pictures in. Yeah, we'll be taking pictures in those. Okay, that's our matching pajamas. I'm not stressing myself. You're crazy when New Year come, pocket bun, and yeah, wonder. Remember I said January is like 100 and odd days already, you know. So no, we're not doing it. Listen, don't make the hype of the holidays cause you to be broke. Don't let the hype of the holidays cause you to be financially unstable. Like, I have to think twice about everything that I'm doing because I don't want to be financially unstable. So anything that I can't do, I'm not doing. Anything, I was watching someone and they were saying if you can't buy it 3 times, don't buy it. If you can't buy it 3 times, don't buy it. Hey guys, so here's the fit of the day. Just from Shein. Jewelry from Amazon. Hubby just carried this, come give me early. Hey. Masoon, let you guys do your outfit of the day. Just give me a minute, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Hubby carried this, come give me. And then, yeah, Shein. Yeah, so this is what I look like. AJ, come do your outfit of the day.
Okay.
Come show them what your clothes look like. Show them what you have on. What's your shirt? What's your shirt?
Spider-Man shirt.
Okay, you have on a Spider-Man shirt? Okay. And then you have on your necklace? Okay. Alright, Jamil, come show them your outfit. Calm down. Jamil doesn't have on any shoes yet because AJ's shoes is new. AJ's shoes was once Jamil's shoes, but Jamil never wore the shoes. So, yeah. Come now, Jamil. Come show your outfit. Stand up flat.
I got some Jamil my shirt. It's day now. It's day and strawberry and now we're to $2 a day.
Okay, thanks for the outfit of the day. Don't mind the clothes on the ground that you guys saw in the earlier part of the video. I am washing, still washing. I got 2 loads done. I didn't get to put them out to dry because rain is on and off where I am. So what I'm gonna do is when this load is finished washing, I'm gonna put in the white clothes to soak. White clothes, I'm gonna leave them there for soak up for a couple of days in the machine, and then I'm gonna put other clothes to dry in the dryer. That's why I'm giving God thanks for the dryer, because listen, it is so imperative in my life because where I live rains a lot. Good night.
They're gonna turn up the brightness on your phone. Over to the red box, bring up the barcode and scan it.
Okay. Yeah. Come to the movies for the first time. Come boy, hold hands, hold your brother's hand, hold your brother's hand. Guys, we're on intermission. We were late for the movies, but listen, look at these guys sitting down eating his popcorn. AJ, you having fun? Enjoy your popcorn. And TV soon come back. Listen, they are having a ball. AJ said TV. They are having a ball. I knew that we were gonna sit and chill because of the TV. I wasn't sure if the show was gonna keep them quiet, but the popcorn is what's keeping them quiet. Okay. Boys, how was the movie? You wanna watch SpongeBob SquarePants? Yeah. No, mommy don't like the looks of SpongeBob. But did you guys have fun?
You enjoy the movie?
Did you enjoy the movie?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy eating your popcorn?
Yeah.
I can imagine. They were really shockingly good. We were expecting them to be like all over the place, movie. But then also I was like, I think they would like it because the big screen, and then we knew definitely popcorn. They were going to chill out because of the popcorn, so they did really good. They made our night. When everyone is killing up themselves about decorations and this and that and sitting in the movies, and I'm looking at my 2 toddlers sitting down watching movies and my husband sitting down and watching the movie, I'm just like, this is life. This is rich. This is the riches, a form of riches. Like, you can't be any more, you can be, but you can't be any more richer than this. Like, it was really a beautiful moment when I looked around and I saw my boys just sitting down staring at the big screen and eating their popcorn. I was like, yeah, my day is made. If I was having a bad day before, my day is made. If I wasn't enjoying, my day was made. So we all had fun. The movie was really good. I almost didn't watch it because I saw somebody, I was looking it up on TikTok, and this lady was like, oh, as a Christian mom, there was LGBTQ, but we didn't see that. That wasn't there. There was nothing in it to indicate anything other than a harmless cartoon. That was all that it was. There was no time for LGBTQ based on the motion of the cartoon. So yeah, anyways, they're making pure noise in the background, so I know you guys can barely hear me. So if this is not the end of the vlog, I'll see you guys at home when I'm seasoning up the meat. See you guys later. I wouldn't even look. I wouldn't even look. They're really a tryover churches. You see? Line. Like, oh, when they come too early. Guys, halfway tree is festive. When we were coming down earlier, it was not festive at all. Earlier, halfway tree did try, did dead way I say. I can't Grand Market nice, but I guess Grand Market start like 10 o'clock. Like everybody start come out from like late time. Yeah, go for it. So there's a few things that we need to pick up. See if they have any eggs. I'm gonna try see if I can make my eggnog tomorrow. Whipping cream they have. Alright, so I need 2 whipping cream. What do I need to make my eggnog again, guys? Eggs. There's no eggs. They don't have any eggs. So I got whipping cream. I need milk. I need regular milk. I don't see no regular milk. I probably have to go in the other aisle for the regular milk.
Look, it's flower. Flower.
Alright guys, so that is the end of this video, and we are coming. We have one more day, which is tomorrow, which would be the 25 days. Yes, I know, Chev, you could have done a little bit better, but listen, remember, I am a wife, I am a mother, I work a 9 to 5, I am recording daily, editing daily. I also run a business with my husband, and so much other things, right? So it's a lot. It's a lot. And then still trying to create content for my other platforms so that people can get to know me on the other platforms to come over to YouTube. So listen, a girl has been working. I have been working, and I have been working really hard. Don't it, babe? Don't it, babe? So this vlog is going to be day 22, 23, and 24. Yeah. And then we're just gonna skip the 2.
You're working really great, and I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Just don't get catching my half card, but you're working really great.
And then tomorrow, cooking, regular day for us, cooking, watching movie, playing game, kids doing their regular, probably outside, you know, nothing new for us. So, and then probably when we're done, we'll probably go look for some family members if we're not too tired. Yeah, but otherwise from that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for keeping my company for the past 25 days. I truly appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for those who have been commenting, those who have liked, those who have subscribed. To all my new subscribers, hi, how are you doing? My name is Chevelle. Thank you so much for joining the So Chev team. Thank you. Or the So team. I don't know, what are we gonna call ourselves, guys? What do we call each other over here? I have no idea. You guys drop in the comments down below what we're going to be calling our little team, our little group. Let me know. But thank you guys so much. I really and truly appreciate you. Let's keep going. See you guys tomorrow on the final day. Bye.